For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Sushant Singh Rajput's case has become one of the most controversial death cases of its time. Rumors and speculations have been doing rounds since June 14th, and various aspects were brought into the case. The debate on suicide versus murder took over every media channel. Many agencies were involved in the case, right from Mumbai Police and Bihar Police to now CBI, ED and NCB. Many, including the actor's family, claimed this was a homicide, while others debated that it was depression leading to suicide. Now, the latest reports suggest that the CBI findings in SSR's case match AIIMS' latest reports that suggest that Sushant died by suicide. These reports, however, are not official. A few close sources of certain media houses have been suggesting that the CBI is now looking into the angles that might have forced the actor to end his life. This includes any role played by Rhea Chakraborty, professional rivalry, nepotism in Bollywood, effects of drug abuse, and Rajput's mental health. When News9 Digital sought to know more about these reports from well-known political analyst Shehzad Poonawalla, who has been closely observing the case from day one, this is what he had to say.
Let us wait for an official CBI statement, not selective reports. In last statement, CBI has said all angles are open and being investigated.
Similarly, when we tried speaking to SSR's friend Ganesh Hivarkar, he was shocked and informed News9 Digital that he is sitting on a hunger strike to get justice for his dear friend. Sushant's family, which is already devastated over the unofficial statement by AIIMS panel head Dr. Sudhir Gupta, has refused to comment. The family will be waiting for an official statement by the agency before they comment on the matter. Other reports also suggest that the ED, which was looking into the money laundering case, hasn't found any illegal transaction. The ED entered the picture when SSR's father, KK Singh, filed an FIR against actor Rhea Chakraborty. KK Singh has alleged that 15 crore rupees had been siphoned off from the actor's accounts. But according to reports, in over 70 lakh rupees transactions from SSR's account in the past 5 years, only 55 lakh rupees has been reportedly found to have been associated with Rhea Chakraborty. If these reports are anything to be believed, then it seems like that the CBI too will summon bigwigs of Bollywood, including actors, filmmakers, to check the possibilities. However, an official statement is yet to be released by the CBI. In a similar development, the Bombay High Court has accepted Rhea's bail plea on special terms.